What do you want?
For all the antiques. Antiques. This crate. Thank you. Thank you.
Antique shop you have. You want antique
Just want
shop?
to have a look there.
Go straight and
Along
take a
here.
right and take a left. So both there is the shop is there.
Thanks very much. Thank you. Thank you. No, I'm going to Chor Bazaar. All right. Hello. Good.
Like the museum. Just look.
Got nowhere to put anything.
Yes, sir.
I have nowhere to put anything.
Everything, put anything, no here. You can look backside, sir. Like the museum.
It's okay, honestly. I cannot buy because I've got nowhere to put anything.
Don't buy. Just look. You feel very happy.
Come on then, give us a look.
Just look, sir.
Yeah. Many.
Too many things, sir.
Bloody hell. It's full.
Completely full.
You cannot walk. Is that the end? Is that the end?
No, one more inside.
Oh dear. How do you sell anything? How do you find anything?
So that's why I'm asking to the client. You are looking for something special.
No, I'm not. I'm just looking around.
No, when the client is coming, I just asked to the client. You are looking for something special, so I take it out and show him like that.
I've got you. So you know where everything is.
Sir, actually, sir, at the opposite side, there is my two showrooms are there. At the opposite side, this is my lane. At the opposite side, there is my two showrooms are there. But the lane going construction, sir, so all the stuff come over here.
I've got you.
But in 2 months, it will become a mall at the opposite side. 3-floor antique shops.
Oh, on the other side.
3 floor, yeah.
So it's going to be bigger.
Yeah, bigger market.
I don't think I can walk through here. I'm frightened in case I break anything.
I know it. And so where are you from?
I'm from England.
England. British.
Yes. Very good. Very good. How much is that? I'll buy something because I'm here.
So it's a Dattatri made of copper. You pay me 1200 rupees.
How much?
1200 rupees.
200.
12 pounds. 1200 rupees.
200.
1200.
Oh no.
It's made of copper.
I'll get us a wooden one. Just something small. Just something little. I'll buy something off you, but just something very small. Made of wood, anything. Okay, how much is that?
400 rupees.
200.
Sir, it's a Annapurna. It's a Annapurna.
Yeah.
The lady who cooked the food, he's doing puja of this to make a tasty food.
She's the god of that?
Yeah, she's got a food taste. Annapurna.
Right. And what's her name?
Annapurna.
Annapurna.
Yeah.
God of food.
God of food.
300. 300 rupee. Give us it here.
Okay.
300. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Can I go now? Can I go?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Right. Very good. Very good. I can't turn. Got to be careful.
Yes, sir. 8 minutes.
Yeah, I bought something.
You bought something?
Yeah, I'll buy something off you. I didn't want anything, but I'll have it.
Lady खड़ी है. Yeah, you can have a ticket.
Oh, you don't need to do that. No. Have you got 200 change?
Yeah, I have 200. Thank you.
Is there more shops down there?
Till the end. This is the building. You see the building?
Yes.
There is a street. There is till there is a antique shop, sir.
So down to the building, is it left and right?
Yeah.
Straight down?
There is a lane all over there.
No problem.
And the very good, sir?
Is it England?
Oh, really?
England, yeah.
Antique.
I like antiques, yes, but I've more just come for a look.
My father's very good friend on Library Road, sir. 14 Library Road, Mr. Melin Fellow.
All right.
Dealer coming every 6 months, but after COVID, only 2 times he came, sir. Because the economic is
Buy
down.
stuff out to take to England.
Yeah.
Well, the British will have left a lot of stuff.
Yeah. And my sister also living in Leicester, sir.
Yeah, very good.
In Leicester.
In Leicester?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, good to meet you. Thanks very much.
Welcome, sir.
Where's me? Hold on. The God of Food. Is that right?
Yeah, I'm a food.
He's right. Okay, thanks very much. See you later. Bye-bye.
हमारे जाने के 1 घंटे के बाद
Hi, sir. How are you? Fine, sir.
Oh. How much is the tungsten kilo? Kilo price for tungsten?
लोखंड काटने लोखंड
I don't know. In England,
Yeah.
It's expensive metal. Punch. Yeah, it's tungsten.
Yeah.
Yeah, tungsten. Yes, yeah.
ये
Yeah, in England, that's a
okay.
good price per kilo.
लोखंड काटने के भाई
Oh, not speak.
अच्छा.
No. Okay, thank you.
ओके थैंक यू
Thank you. Hello.
बैठ भाई उसमें बैठेगी इसमें बैठेगा